What's up guys, Sam from Misfit Garage here. So today we're working on something pretty fun. This is a brand new Pro R. This is R1's Pro R, and we've teamed up to do a build together with a bunch of other brands, and this is going to be a show car. So it'll be at the Off-road Expo and a bunch of other shows like that. So we're going to give them a cage, and we're also going to do a bumper on it, some things like that. It's going to be a fun build. We're super excited to be a part of it. And we're also hopefully going to be making some cage kits with this cage that we build. So we'll see how it goes. So to start, we obviously build everything by hand currently at the moment. So everything we do is custom. Basically, the first thing we do is we have the customer send us pictures, kind of like ideas of what they would like their cage to be. But we try to get what they imagine in their head is what they want, but also put our own flair on it. We also will measure your head, make sure that you're gonna fit in this car. We leave plenty of room. We prefer you wear a helmet, so we leave room for a helmet so you don't hit your head, things like that. So we have a design picked out, so all we have to do is start bending tubes.
I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to